How do we know that the stress is impacting us? There's a number of surveys that have come out, and this is a survey from the United States that's basically just asking the question, how has the life in quarantine affected our behaviors? And you can see from this slide that 40% of people say they're eating more snack foods, screen time has gone up by 50%, and so, you know, there's some negatives and also some positives, right? That 2/3 of people say they're making home-cooked meals and that they're eating more fresh food. So new opportunities and risks, and that's something that we need to be mindful of. We also have some data from Canada on how the pandemic has affected the general population, and let me just show you that. So this data are from Canada, and you can see that there's a very, very powerful impact on how we're functioning. If you look at the slide on the left, you'll see 84% of the people that are surveyed from Statistics Canada are worried about overloading the healthcare system. 54% are worried about the members of their household. And so again, we see that as a fairly broad impact that it's having. Just a week or so ago, the Mental Health Index, which was looking at generally how are people managing, and you can see that in the current month of April, it was sort of down by 12 points. So the negative impact on mental health in general has really been seen. And that's also shown by another survey that I'll show you now. So this survey was done in Canada, and it was done at the end of April. And it really kind of took a look at how we're doing from a mental health point of view. And again, good news, bad news situation, but certainly telling us that things have had a big impact. And so if you look at the top left, 44% of the people are saying they're worried, 41% are saying they're anxious. Now, interestingly, 34% are reporting feeling grateful. And so this mix of feelings, if you look at the top right, your mental health and your physical well-being, you can see that on those red bars indicate that 50% of the population here are saying that their mental health is worse, 42% saying their physical health is worse. And on the bottom, it talks about relationships. And this is a good news, bad news situation. On the bottom right side, you see 32% of people are saying that their relationships with people outside of their household, outside of that bubble, are actually worse. But interestingly, inside the bubble on the left, 24% of the people say their relationships have actually improved with people inside their household, and only 14% are saying that it's worse. So that's kind of a bit of a reassurance. But from our perspective, the stress is there.